going potty. There's Joey. We got him on a leash till he realizes don't jump the fence. He hasn't jumped the fence, but I figure if I keep him on a leash for like a month, he'll realize not to jump the fence, because that's what we did in Ohio. And this dog is fast. I had him loose. He's faster than Joey. Come on, Joe. Fix your ear. Wait, Sammy, there. Joey, come on. Come on, Joe. Joey still snaps at him. I don't know why, but come on, Joe. You're doggling. Come on. Stop doggling. Come on, you guys. Joey, come on. Joey. There's Sammy. Joe, come. Wait a second. Joey, don't. That's Yorkie. Oh, now he's peeing. Alright, come on, you guys. Joey, come on. Joey's got a routine. This is what he does when we come out around 10 o'clock. He'll go all the way over here, and then he'll go head out towards the back. That's what he does. And there's my two guys. Come on, Joe. Let's go. Come on. Come on, you guys. And Joey. I give them both equal attention. I yell at Joey when he snaps at Sammy. But they're getting better, I noticed that. Joey, come on. You're doggling. Gotta stop doggling. Come on, Sammy. Come on, Sammy. Where's he at? Come on. That went well. You peel a lot, Joe. He went around me with the leash. Coming, Joey? Come on, baby boy. That was the leash, you guys. Sammy, come on. Alright, Sammy, come. Sammy, come. He ain't coming to me, he's just walking this way. I gotta work on him. Come on, Joe. There's Joey. I put those bricks there. See what I did? I put this little fencing up here to keep the skunk and stuff out. But we got so many other areas, I gotta fix them. Come on, Joey. Come on, Sammy. What'd you find, Sam? Joey, wait. Joey, stop. Stay there. Is he still there? Yep, and he'll stay there too. Okay, Joe. Okay. See? I got him trained. Sammy will be trained like that too. I can't wait till winter. Sam, get up. Come on, Sammy. He laying down. There he is. God knows, I know what he's doing, little pig. Rolling in something now. I have to clean him up when I get in the house. Joey, don't put your nose in his butt. Yeah, that's icky. He's enjoying himself, isn't he? You're going down the hill. He doesn't care. There's Joey. Okay.